This is a case study of the installation of a Mitsubishi hyperheating multi-port system in the Bozeman Pass area of Montana by Mountain Heating and Cooling. Anna P., homeowner in the Bozeman Pass area, sought to replace their old propane heaters and fireplace with a more efficient ductless heating and cooling solution, one that could handle the extreme high-altitude weather conditions. Their post and beam home required an HVAC system that would blend seamlessly with its unique architecture. Additionally, they needed to cool bedrooms that became too warm in summer. Challenge 1. Uncomfortable temperatures in the master bedroom year-round. Challenge 2. Replacing inefficient propane heaters with a reliable energy-efficient system. Challenge 3. Integrating a new HVAC system without disrupting the home's unique architectural design. Challenge 4. Overcoming high-altitude conditions that affect HVAC performance. Solution 1. Installing a Mitsubishi hyperheating multi-port system with 3 heads to ensure precise temperature control throughout the home while maintaining the aesthetic appeal. Solution 2. Collaborated with Mitsubishi technical support to address altitude challenges, performing a manual J heat load calculation to ensure the system's efficiency and capacity. Solution 3. Ensured the installation team communicated design decisions with the homeowners to preserve the home's historic charm. The benefits? The Mitsubishi system provides consistent comfort and adapts to changing weather, significantly reducing operating costs compared to propane heaters and other HVAC options. In addition, the system qualifies for IRA tax credit and Park Electric Utility rebate and comes with a 12-year manufacturer warranty. Summary of a successful Bozeman HVAC system installation? This couple was looking to increase the comfort of their home through exploring heat pump options. The system they decided on is an understated addition to their home aesthetically, while delivering all the comfort at a much lower operating cost than other systems. We love taking on challenges like this. Corey Johnson, President of Mountain Heating and Cooling.